Hello. Yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and also see my screen clearly. This is 27th. This is 27th of March. So I'd like us to start off with the chart on my screen. We have Brent oil. This chart still holds valid what we said previously. We had a very good support here. We had a support here. The price broke below that support zone. It pulled back towards the same resistance, now a resistance, but could not break above it. So as long as the price is held above 77.582, this will give us a very good place to look for a sell position from. We do expect that the sellers will push price to the lower side, at least up to 70.189. So the idea here is to keep looking for sell orders, expecting that the sellers will push us downwards with a break below this point, which may push price much lower. So when the price breaks below this point, we want to see a retracement back towards the same point to continue looking for sell positions. The next chart is natural gas. So this chart has been a sell for some times now. We had a very good zone. The price broke below it. It continued downwards. As we're speaking now, we have a very good support here. So what I want to happen is I want the price to clearly descend and close below 2.110. When that happens, that will be another sign that we are now expecting the sellers to continue to push price downwards towards 2.019. So when that happens, we will be expecting a continuation to the lower side. The next chart, this is Bitcoin. So with Bitcoin so far, nothing much appears to be happening. We are expecting a possible sell position from around this point on the daily time frame. If you check the weekly time frame, the same place looks like a very good place to look for a sell from. So while the price does not ascend above 28,924.35, this should give us a good place to look for a sell from. So we will be expecting that the sellers will push us much downwards towards at least this target here. This is 14,000.25. If that is broken, then we will expect it to continue downwards at least up to this level here. So that's my opinion on Bitcoin. The next chart is Euro USD. On this chart, basically we are looking for sell positions. We are looking for sell orders. We do expect that the sellers will come in strongly from around this area here, around 1.24197. As long as this level is not broken, then that should give us a good place to look for a sell from. So the idea here basically is to watch for price from within these two lines, within this line here. If it gives us a sell signal, we will be picking that sell at least up to this point here. My other chart is GBP USD. With the GBP USD so far, we have a very good resistance level here. We have a very good resistance level. We have a resistance and we expect a resistance here. So when the price comes up and touches this line 1.24697, this should give us an ideal place to look for a sell from. So we just want to wait and see what happens. A pullback up to this point will give us an ideal place to look for a sell from. The other chart is the US dollar Japanese yen. And we can't find any significant levels on the lesser time frames, but on the daily time frame we have these lines. We have this line here. So technically where the price is right now, we do expect it to continue downwards. We want to see first a break below 130.505. If that happens, then we will expect the price to continue downwards towards 127.012. So the idea here is to keep looking for buy positions. When the price gets to this point, this should give us the ideal place to look for a buy from. So expect a move up to this point where we'll be looking for a buy order. If the price bounces off, this will be the best place to look for a buy from, back towards this level. If this is broken, we expect the price to continue upwards towards this level here. So thank you very much. That should be the end of today's analysis. We're going to meet again tomorrow at the same time. Thank you and see you.